Hello friends, good morning everyone. So today we will discuss the concept of electrodynamometer wattmeter. So in the last video we discussed the digital tachometer. So first we'll discuss the electrodynamometer wattmeter is used to measure the power. So power is the combination of voltage and current. So that is P is equal to V into I. By using this power we can measure the AC and DC circuits. So next we'll move on to the working principle of electrodynamometer wattmeter. When a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it produces mechanical force. So next we'll move on to the construction and working of electrodynamometer wattmeters. So this is the diagrammatic representation of electrodynamometer wattmeter. So first we'll discuss the construction. First one is the fixed coil. The fixed coil connect in series with load. Fixed coil connect in series with load. It is considered as a current coil because the load current flows through it. For making the construction easy, the fixed coil is divided into two parts. These two elements are parallel connected to each other. The fixed coil produces the uniform electric field which is essential for the working of instrument. Second point, moving coil. The moving coil considered as a pressure coil of the instrument. It connects parallel with supply voltage. The pointer mounts on moving coil. The movement of the pointer controls with the help of spring. The current flows through the coil increases their temperature, and the flows of the current control with the help of a resistor which connects series with moving coil. Third point, control element. We are going to use one spring control system is used for the movement of pointer. Fourth point, damping. Damping is the effect which reduces the movement of pointer. In this wattmeter, damping torque produces because of air friction. So next we'll move on to the fifth point, scales and pointer. The instrument use linear scale because of their moving coil moves linearly. So next we'll move on to the working. It has two types of the coils, fixed and moving coil. The fixed coil connects in a series with circuit whose power consumption used to be measured. The supply voltage applies to the moving coil. The resistor controls the current across the moving coil and it is connected in series with it. The pointer is fixed on the moving coil which is placed between the fixed coils. The current and voltage of the fixed and the moving coil generate the two magnetic fields, and the interaction of these two magnetic fields deflects the pointer of the instrument, and the deflection of the pointer is directly proportional to the power flows through it. Thank you.